Hi, welcome to Kaulinya Institute of Competitive Studies. So, on behalf of all our subscribers and viewer request, we have started the essay writing topics. So, before we'll go in depth about and also the depth of concept about essay writing, we have to know the basic concepts of essay and what are the main factors to be covered while writing your essay on your competitive examinations. So, basically, first, what is meant by essay here? An essay is a long piece of writing that gives information about a given topic. It also helps to communicate the writer's points of view to the reader. The purpose of an essay writing is to test the language proficiency of the candidate creativity and intellectual skills. So after knowing the essay definitions, you have to know the different parts has to be covered while writing your essay. What are the different parts of an essay? The first thing is introduction, main body, and the conclusion. So what the introduction includes? Introduction is nothing but it's a most important part of your essay. It is also called as an eye-catching subject because an eye-catching and impactable introduction generates the reader interest to go through your entire essay. So under your main body of the essay, you have to cover all the information about the given topic. And in under the conclusion part, it's a strong conclusion is also very much equally important as that of your introduction. Because in your concluding a paragraph, it should be summarized with a few lines. So that comes under your conclusion part. Steps to write an effective essay. What are the steps to be followed while writing your essay? The first step will be brainstorming, or it is also called as thinking about the topic. Second point, jot down the main points like example, facts, etc. Preparing a rough sketch, analyzing of rough sketch and writing the main essay. This completes the steps to write an effective essay. So what is meant by the brainstorming is nothing but as you saw the question in the examination, you have to think about the topic for a few seconds. Like before you start writing an essay, you have to spare a few minutes about this topic. And the second one is jot down the main points or an examples. Like after that, note down all the different points and the facts, the examples that comes to your mind on the separate paper. So next step will be preparing a rough sketch. Once you have jotted down all the main points, you have to need to organize your ideas. So by writing in rough sketch or with an sketching in an excellent way to organize your ideas in a logical manner. So after you prepare your rough sketch, you have to should write the topic in a block letter or it should be in a capital letters. So this after this you have to divide your page into three headings, namely the introduction, main body and the conclusion. So write the main points under each heading. So after that you have to analyze a rough sketch. After you prepared a rough sketch, you have to go through once and check if any you have missed any of the point. After that, writing the main part of an essay. After the making of sketch, start writing the essay according to your outline, whatever you have created. So, what are the points to be kept in the mind while writing your essays? You should use the different types of sentences, structures to write your essay. Use transition paragraphs to move from one main point to another. Take care of all your punctuation errors, spellings, mistakes, and also grammatical errors. Don't repeat the words or the phrases. Cite the good examples whenever it is necessary. Use true and accurate information in your essay. Mention quote, stories, example, case studies as they make their essay interesting to read. So after knowing the definition of an essay and the factors to be covered while writing your essay, next step will be the content. So what are the different contents it come across under your essay? First step will be the contemporary issues, And the next one, social issues, political issues, economical issues, science and technology, environmental issues, education, health and sports, renowned personalities, miscellaneous issues, etc. Under contemporary issues, you have a very most important topics like coronavirus, that is, it's also called as COVID-19, great lesson to reset humanity and its priorities. Second topic, that is privatization of agricultural marketing in India, new form bills. National Education Policy 2020, Educating New India. Abolishment of Article 370, historical steps to bring a peace in Kashmir. Under your social issues, we have listed out some of the important topics like child labor in India, an unavoidable dilemma, social media, blessing or curse for the society, increasing population, boon or bane, role of media in Indian democracy, nationalism, threat to internal security, Indian cinema and its impact on society, youth involved in drugs, educating a girl child, educating the whole family. So under the political issues, you have a different topics, very important topics. That is, first one will be 124th Constitutional Amendment, a reservation for economically weaker section, Triple Talaq, a way towards uniform civil code, Women's Reservation Bill, a forgotten issue, National Register of Citizens and its implications, Right to Information Act, revolutionary tool in democracy, One Nation, One Election, is the India ready, judicial activism in India. So under the economical issues, we have listed the different important topics like Ayushman Bharat, world's biggest health cover initiative. Second one, significance of geographical indication in India, skilling India a necessity, land reforms in India, an unfinished agenda, mega merger of banks in India, challenges in India agriculture, and possible remedies. Make in India, big boost to industry and employment. So under the science and technology, we have a different topics like India's nuclear program, ISRO, that is ISRO, the torchbearer of Indian innovation, Chandrayana 2, that is India's most mission, inspired the world, Gangayana mission, India's manned space mission. Under environmental issues, like first topic will be environmental pollution, making the planet unhealthy for living, deforestation, the result of human greed, rainwater harvesting, declining biodiversity, impact on human lives, genetically modified food, effects on the environment and humans. Under education, health and sports, we have one topic, very most important topic, online schooling, the future of education. Under renowned personalities, we have different topics like Pankaj Advani, most successful billiard players of all time, Duti Chand, inspiring a million dreams, Bajrang Punia, Bahubali of Indian wrestling, Ajay Dhaval, the man behind Indians' internal security, Saint Marian Teresa, saint from God's own country, PV Sindh, first woman Olympic silver medalist from India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Missile Man of India, Dr. Amartya Sen, first Nobel Literature Indian economist, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the apostille of Dalits, Mother Teresa, symbol of peace and humanity. Next topic will be under renowned personalities, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the architect of modern India, Rabindranath Tagore, first Indian Nobel laureate writer, Swami Vivekananda, a spiritual reformer, Subhash Chandra Bose, patriot of patriots, Sarojini Naidu, the Nightingale of India, Sachin Tendulkar, a living legend, Sundar miscellaneous issues, we have significance of Jal Shakti Abhiyan. So I hope from this video you have understood what is meant by essay and what are the important factors you have to write when you're writing your essay. So, and also the different content that come across under your essay topics. So we have given a very most important topics under each sector. So from our next videos, we're going to discuss with each and every segment with a single topic wise. So I hope you all understood about this topic. So if anybody are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and share to your friends. Thank you.